Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to download and access Apple TV on your Chromecast with Google TV. It's a new app that's available for download here in Canada and the US that allows you to use Apple TV on your Chromecast. If you are somewhere else in the world, I'd love to hear about it in the comment section below, whether you have access to Apple TV. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken, and this is Northern Viking Everyday, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. But let's go ahead and dive right into my Chromecast and get set up with Apple TV. So to navigate my Chromecast with Google TV, we're going to be using the remote that came with the Chromecast. At the top of the remote, you're going to see a circle. You can push left and right on that, up and down, or there's a select button in the center. Let's go ahead and jump right over to my Chromecast screen and show you how to download the Apple TV app. All right, so here we are on my Chromecast with Google TV, and what we need to do is navigate with the circle on our remote over to apps here at the very top. Once you see apps, just go ahead and hit the select button in the center of the circle on your remote. Once you're in here, you can search for the Apple TV app. Now, because it's new for myself, it is under the featured section. I could just go ahead and click there. Or if you're not seeing that, go ahead and come up here where you see search for apps and hit the select button, and you can start searching for Apple in here. So I'm just gonna quickly type in Apple and hit the magnifying glass. And it's going to search for Apple. Once you see that, you can start scrolling through the apps here, and you should see Apple TV here at the top. You can go ahead and select that with the button on your remote, and it'll allow you to install it. So just navigate to where it says install there and hit the select button on your remote again. And it's going to start downloading and installing that app on your Chromecast for you. I'll just go ahead and hit open. Welcome to Apple TV. Watch all your favorite TV in one place on all your screens. Start watching. All right, so we've got Apple TV loaded up on our Chromecast here. If you want to sign up for Apple TV or you have an account already, just head over to the gear icon in the top right-hand corner. Scroll down until you see accounts. Just hit the select button, and you should be able to sign in to an existing account here. If you click on that, you can sign in to an existing account, or if you need to create an Apple ID, you can do that right here as well if you don't already have one. Now, if I just back out here, you're gonna see that all sorts of stuff is gonna come up. Your library, if you already have existing content, you can watch TV shows in here, you can watch movies, so if you want to rent movies or buy movies, that sort of thing. And Apple TV Plus is here as well. And it's really that simple to get Apple TV on your Chromecast with Google TV. So hope this quick tutorial was able to help you get started with downloading Apple TV for your Chromecast with Google TV. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.